Ito guys, meron tayong tunang masarap. Oh, preskong-presko guys. Iwain natin guys. Gawin natin sashimi. Sarap ito guys. Wow. 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 Yan guys, sarap nito guys. Abila ito guys, pampabata daw ito guys. Yan guys, oh, ang sarap ng sashimi tuna ko. Wow. Yummy, yummy ito guys, oh. Ayan guys. Lagyan natin sa plato guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ang sarap nito guys. Ayan guys, oh. Ang sarap ng sashimi ito guys. Tapos meron tayong pan dito guys. Meron tayong wasabi dito. Ito guys, wasabi. Ayan guys. Ang sarap nito guys, oh. Lagay natin sa kikuman. Masarap ito guys. Masarap na masarap to guys. Tikman nga natin guys kung paano lasa nito. Sigurado masarap. This is very yummy, delicious tuna. Wow. Very fresh. Oh my god. This delicious tuna. Yummy, the meat, wow. You eat like a sweet, the meat, the tuna meat. Wow, very sweet and little bit salt. The kikuman, wow. Very spicy little bit, but very good. I like it. Nangkap. Yan.